Traders, it is Tuesday, May the 24th. I'm so excited for this video. It took Webull 4 hours. Yeah, Webull is celebrating its 4th year anniversary to do something option traders have been waiting for a long time, at least serious option traders like this one. I can't wait to share it with you. So without any further ado, let's dive into what's making me so excited to share with you about option trading on the Webull app. All right, let's do this. Okay, so let me just go and launch my Webull. You guys can see everything on here other than my account number. So I'm going to give instruction on here in a more patient manner. So on the bottom on your app, you click on menu to get to this screen on here. So upon getting to this screen on here, I go to the shortcuts on here. This is the easiest way to get to where I want to get to. Paper trading, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, paper trading has been around on Webull app for a long time. That's really nothing, that's something new. But the part that's getting me excited, you can guess it. Paper trading on options. So meaning to the famous question that a lot of people have been looking around, can you paper trade option on Webull? The answer is an emphatic yes. This is relatively new. I stumbled on it yesterday already, because usually I do not use my app for option trading, especially paper trading on here. As you guys know, I typically use e-trade even in the teaching, the one-on-one coaching session that we do here at Successful Trading. So here we discover that. So I'm going to take you through the steps on how to trade option, to paper trade option on the Webull app. So in here, let me pick a stock that actually I generated some trade earlier automatically. I set them up because I just wanted by the time I made the video to get there. So let's pick this stock because I'm going to actually establish that position since it has been going a different way. So RDBX is, it's a very popular stock now. Redbox Entertainment, right? So Redbox Entertainment. So you pick your stock, you tap the stock on there as you want it, right? And in here, for me, I already have calls. I'm going to show you. I think you may have seen it. So here, I want to hedge my position with some puts. So what I'm going to do, this is the option chain, right? On here right now is highlighted on the call. So I'm going to just click on puts. Here at the bottom, I have both calls or puts. So I just click on put there. And now I'm going to look at, what do I want to hedge? Is the stock right now is trading at just around $5, literally. The 10 calls that we got earlier, just as on a whim, they have been losing. So we want to pick the $2, or actually let's go $3, even though the spread is not that nice. So let's pick this one. I'm going to click on the ask price. When you click on the ask price on the option chain, this is what comes. So, and here you can see the difference, right? At the bottom, paper trade, this is what you see on this screen here at the bottom, where paper trade. So in here, this is my ordering ticket. I'm just going to say, hey, I want to buy them at the market price. The current bid is $1.15. The current ask for these options on RDBX. That's we are paper trading here on the Webull app, and then we are going to say buy. So how many do I want? Okay, I can change the number on here. So I had a pretty hefty position on there. So let's say, let me just go on here. If I take 100 of them, yeah, this is paper trading, folks. Yeah, you go big or you go home. This is going, how much is this going to cost, right? This is going to cost 10K or so. So let's go here, click paper trade. And this year working, they're saying that working on this, but we asked for a market, this is a market order. So I'm not sure when it's live, when we're live like this. Typically when you're trading on paper trading, right? So let me go modify this order. So in modifying this order, so I want to actually say that I want to buy it instead of market. I want to buy it at the current ask price. So let's go in here and select, if I can I modify this. I'm not sure if they wouldn't let me modify it or not. Okay, that's fine. So let's see, that's fine. So if I want to paper trade, this order has been executed and cannot be modified. Thank you guys. Okay, it would have saved us time. Okay, fantastic. So now let's go to we just go back on here. So I'm going back to my paper account. So here's my option trading paper account on Webull. So the characteristic of this account, it comes with $100,000. Yeah, $100,000, just like E-Trade one. So, and you can trade option on it. Here's my buying power because I have a position on here on QQQ 288. Put this position, I put them even before the market opened. I just wanted to see the functionality. The RDBX June 17 10 calls, they had 1,000 of them. That's the position is down minus 46%. And we just bought live with you on here option trading paper option trading on the paper accounts on Webull. We just bought 100 contract of the June 17 for puts on here. So this is how you see it. So should you decide that, hey, you are not happy with what the account is doing, I believe you can reset this. Let's go ahead and do this here because again, this is just practicing, right? So if I reset the account, reset initial fund amount. Okay, that's saying 1 million. Okay. All your position will be erased and your balance will be set to 1 million. Are you sure to proceed? Yes, confirm and reset. Ladies and gentlemen, this is how you get yourself 1 million. So that we have 1 million. Let's go ahead and do a proper order. Ready? So option trade. I'm going to actually mimic something that we are trading live right now. We are making money on Roku right now. Can I show that? I think I will show that maybe Roku on our watch list. Those contracts that are up 1,000%. So yeah, believe it or not. So you can see some of the option change here. What's that contract? So which one are we tracking on our watch list? The successful trade alert watch list 75 puts. Well, yeah, they are up 1,126%. So let's go ahead and take them. Yeah. So let's go ahead and take them. We're on the put side on here. Hopefully soon they are going to be in the money here. They've been flirting with 75, 76. So I click on the ask, then the buying ticket. That's the best shortcuts, right? When you are buying options, either on the real Webull account or on the Webull paper trading on here. So in this case, same thing, I'm going to say markets because we know that market is going to give us at the current price, whatever that price is. We have 1 million folks, so I'm going to take 1,000 of those, and this is valid for the day. And then I click on paper trade here at the bottom. And the bad parts about it, because earlier, remember when we were doing the other one, we didn't see it saying that, hey, it was filled. We had to go in there. So you see here, I'm looking at fill quantity, and there is still at 0. So let's give it how fast this is when you generate a market order to buy option on the Webull paper account. You can see that it's sitting there for a little bit. I'm not sure if that's just a glitch or whatever, because it should just be instantaneous. So otherwise, the alternative to this, right? Actually, let's try to do that. The alternative to this will be just to go put a limit order, but you put the ask price. When you do that, you definitely get the order failed immediately. So let's try to cancel. Okay, we will attempt to cancel it on a best effort basis. However, there's no guarantee. Are you sure you want to cancel this order? No, I don't want to cancel this order. Can I modify the order? This order has been executed and cannot be modified. Okay, so if the order has been fantastic, here we are, then it should be telling, instead of saying working, it should be saying that it was failed. Come on now. Webull, you can do better than that. So we want to go back to our account. So all right, so here we are, our $1 million paper trading account on Webull. We just bought the Roku. We at 75 puts. We bought 1,000 of those contracts at the market price. So right now our position is down a whooping minus 4.57%. This is just really the difference between the bid and the ask. Though the bid is currently $3.10. I'm tracking it here on on my option chart, whereas the ask is $3.25. That's why hey, we have 1,000 contract. That difference on there. It's like, so this is how you go about doing it. So we have been able to show you how to get to the paper trading option on the Webull app. This feature is brand new. Literally, they did an update, I believe, was it a couple of days ago? So version 8 is the version of the app. I think that happened automatically. I'm not even sure that it needed my intervention on that. So then when I was going through it, I was seeing a lot of new things like the option calculator. That's another video that I'm going to add here at this time here of timestamp on here. So on the right of this video here on the top right, you can definitely look at the next video for you to watch, which is how to use the Webull at option calculator. We also wrote an article on it on the blog. So here now you have the ability to trade paper trade option on the Webull app, and in just very simple, easy step. You can reset your account to 1 million. So actually, I don't know if that's the maximum, but my friend, 1 million, you can simulate whatever that you want. Some traders actually have told me during the coaching session that they sometimes feel uncomfortable with some of these paper trading, option trading account, because they want to simulate a real account, meaning that with less money. That's perfectly fine. I think here with Webull, you will be able to reset it. Let me reset it here just to illustrate that and say, hey, maybe I can start my account with $1,000. Is that possible? So all your position will be erased and your balance will be set to 1,000. Are you sure? Yes, confirm reset. Here we go. So same thing here. In that case, then fine. I go to option trade, and now I can trade something maybe much within my risk management with my balance. So in that case, okay, let's go here. I still want the puts on QQQ. I haven't changed on that, even though it's going sideways. So tomorrow expiration, the 25th. So we can go and say, hey, with my 1K, I click on the ask price, the buy ticket comes, the contract is going for 41 cents max. So I'm going to go markets, and in here, the type of risk for me, if I have 1K as a balance account, I do not want to risk at any point of time more than 50% of that, like 40%. So I have $400 to trade with. So one out of this position, I can put in maybe $100. So that in that case, maybe 2 or 3 contracts. Definitely 3 contracts is something that I feel comfortable with, because I can do scale exits. If you don't know what scale exit is, this is something we teach here at Successful Trading. So I click on paper trading at the bottom, the orange one, and then this menu comes in. We have noticed that so far that it doesn't immediately tell you that you're filled in quantity, but when you try to modify the order, which we are going to try, let's give it a couple of seconds on here, then it says that, hey, that order has already been filled. So this is really very easy, and the fact that you have it as an app, for me, this paper trading, it's a little bit superior to even the E-Trade one, where you have to go to the computer version to get it. So let's say here, if we try to modify this, what will happen? Oh, it's saying that it hasn't been filled yet. Okay, so this order has been executed and cannot be modified. Come on, Webull. Okay, that's fine. So it definitely went through the glitch on there. That's still going on. So I just go back on here, and here's our position. The 274 puts 3 contract. They cost us $120 thereabouts, and our buying power left here is 877. So please give me your impression, your feedback onto your experience using the Webull app paper trading for option. This is a feature that's brand new, and we look forward for those of you who will be joining Successful Trading to take your trading to the next level. Until then, have a great evening, have a great day wherever you're watching from. Bye-bye.